I've had many men like come to me truly and be like, you are my wife and you are meant to be in my life. I heard from God. Or they like show up at my doorstep and are just like confessing their love to me, and it can be overwhelming for me because I'm like, you are in love with the love that is inside of me. You are in love with God. And it can be a projection at times when this is coming from certain men in my life. And the projection is, I need you to fill a role. I need you to fill a role for me because I see what you embody. And I need that in my life because I'm not creating it myself, because I don't have that relationship myself. And I'm not here to fulfill that in another person. I'm here to reflect, to show you what is possible, to encourage you, to inspire you, for you to see what lives inside of you, to help reflect what exists, what is possible. That is what my presence and being is here for, honestly.